linking up with private sector organizations so that the commission can run with less dependency on the treasury grants, because it's a organization which is dependent on the treasury grants. And three main activities that you highlight are our flagship events are, we have the school program which I mentioned,
Right.
and then we have this national exhibition which we call Sahasak Nimeum, and then we facilitate the presidential awards every other year, but we select annually, present every other year, presidential award for inventions. Those I would say as the key
Right.
events.
You mentioned about this National Invention exhibition. Tell us about this award that we see here.
The National Inventors Exhibition is called Sahasak Nimeum. Sahasak, as you say, is 1,000.
Yeah.
And for the best invention in that exhibition, from each class of each category, like the school, university, public and commercialized, we present this award which is called Dasis Award.
Okay. Okay.
As you know, Dasis is the name for Ravana.
Ravana.
We take pride in our history, right? And probably we have been one of the best innovators in the world, if you really look at, right?
Yes, yes.
Because we supposed to have invented the aircraft long before Wright brothers. And if you look at our irrigation systems and things like that, we are so much of, we are an innovative nation,
Yeah.
right? So we take pride by giving this award to the best. For example, last year, the best, the winner, in fact, I borrowed it from him, Manju Gunawardena. He got the chance to go to Geneva with his.
What did he get that for?
He had developed a nanotechnology product, a bulb which would eradicate germs in an environment.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. And Manju got a gold award at Geneva's international exhibition. So, although we are not in numbers, we have jewels like these among our inventors.
Right.
In fact, I borrowed it from him to bring it to the
show
program.
our, show our viewers.
Yeah.
So, apart from this exhibition, isn't there another award ceremony?
That is the presidential award.
Okay.
To qualify for presidential award, it must be a patented product. But the Sahasak Nimeum exhibition, which is the national exhibition, which we started last year, you don't have to have a patent, right? But we always encourage people to apply for patents when they are bringing out to public. And if I may expand a little bit on this exhibition, we have 4 participating categories. That is schools, university and technical colleges, and open for public, and then commercialized.
So there's no age limit or anything
to that
of that
category.
kind. Yeah. Okay.
We have this time, quite interestingly, 205 entries coming from university categories,
Really?
which was less than 50 last year. This was possible because the Ministry of Higher Education launched a program called SIP, Solutions, Ideas, Inventions and Products.
Okay.
Through that, they encourage university students to apply. We have got 205 coming from universities. So this exhibition will really have some interesting inventions. Then in the open category, there is 372. And from the schools, we have selected 248 out of, I would think, more than 1,500 entries that came from all 9 provincials for that, and commercialized 12, obviously less are commercialized. So altogether, we would be having 837 exhibits at this exhibition, which will be in the BMICH from 30th November to 2nd December.
Okay.
Under 12 fields, right? So 4 categories of participants, 12 fields of technical fields. For example, making disabled independent, right? It's an important field because
what does that mean?
10% of the world population is considered disabled. For example, you and I also little disability with the eye,
Sure,
right?
Yeah.
So there are so many disabilities. So we want people to think of innovative solutions to make them independent. Then of course environment, food, agriculture, health and nutrition, energy, construction, teaching aids, safety and security, apparel, textiles and accessories, which is a major industry in Sri Lanka, entertainment, communication and transport. So interestingly, the largest number of entries had come from security and safety of
really?
people,
Uh-huh.
right? Like, you know, how to protect yourself,
Right,
maybe things like these fences to protect people from elephants. And then we will select 5 best in class on 5 categories. Best ICT solution in any one of those 12 fields.
Right.
Best application of traditional knowledge. So we have created a special recognition. In any of these fields, anybody has used traditional knowledge. Then best electronic application, and one for nanotechnology, because we think the future is in nanotechnology, and best solutions to substitute any imports. Right. So those will be 5 special awards.
Yeah.
So altogether, we will have 4 DASIS awards for the best in class. Then first, second, third for each of these technical fields.
Right.
And then 5 awards for the best in all these areas.
Right. Very quickly, the exhibition is on from the 30th this month. That is about another 4 days to go.
Yeah.
And it
Till
will be on till
2nd of December.
2nd of December at the BMICH.
From
Admission fee?
Oh, it's free.
It's free.
It's free, and we
So
want
everybody is welcome.
Everybody is welcome, and it is from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. And we would like to see more school children, young, and of course, I am inviting investors who are watching this program to come and pick these inventors.
Yeah. Deepa, thank you very much for your participation in this program, and your commission is doing a wonderful job. Keep up the good work, and all the very best to you and to the commission.
Thank you, and it was my pleasure.
With that, we conclude Rupees and Cents tonight, and we'll be back again 2 weeks from today at 10 p.m. right here on ITN. Do join us then. Good night.